As a communications manager for Garver's project controls team, my job is to take all of the technical data our experts can glean from their analytics and put it into reports that anyone can read. I get the joy of seeing the satisfaction on people's faces when they realize I just handed them a book or a website that contains the answers to questions they have and questions their constituents have about the status of their project. That's rare capability in this industry.
What makes Garver's project controls team so unique is that we're not trying to track schedules with civil engineers. We're actually staffing our project controls group with Primavera P6 scheduling professionals. And they can tell the client, hey, if this is delayed a month, does it delay the whole project a month or does it still get finished on time? That's not an easy answer unless you've got all your relationships built inside the P6 software and you can go in and look at it and move things around and see. And if it does, and that causes a problem, they've got the ability to say, yeah, but these other things can happen and we can still hit your deadline. I'm excited to have them on the team. I've always wanted this capability to be able to bring it to my clients, and I've never had it before. And that's why I'm so excited and want people to know about this, because they're really good at what they do.
Project controls is the support function to project managers, program managers. We collect the data that comes from all the different pieces of a project, from engineering, environmental. We gather that into a schedule or a simulate cost, and then provide answers to the project manager of progress, status, and any potential future impacts.
We provide reports to everyone involved, so there's never any confusion all the way up the ladder about the current status of the project. But what might be more important, we also inform stakeholders about where the project's headed, so they make strategic and informed decisions to avoid possible pitfalls in the project's schedule.
Our job is to look for the things that are coming 6 months down the road. So by identifying those now, gives them the opportunity to mitigate those, to resolve them before they impact the project. So we're always looking not at what's happening today, but we're looking down the road to see what's coming up.
The most important thing that project controls provides is transparency and easy access to all of the data. It's kept up to date at all times, and that's what our clients want. They don't want to have to spend a lot of time figuring out an answer to a question. They love having it at their fingertips. It's the classic case of a citizen votes for a bond election or votes for a sales tax. A couple of years into it, after they started paying that sales tax or those bonds have been sold, nothing's been done to their project. They call up the city councilor that represents their district. Hey, how come this hadn't been done? You promised me this. Well, if you don't have project controls and you don't have that reporting in place, then what happens? Well, the city councilor has to call the city manager. What's the status of project X? The city manager has to call the public works director. Hey, I got City Councilor Joe over here. He wants to know what the status is of this project. Oh, let me check with my staff. Well, staff finds out, reports back to the public works director, reports back to the city manager, reports back to the city councilor, and about the time the city councilor is going to report back to the citizen, he discovers a Facebook page developed by the citizen to get the city councilor unelected. Nobody wants that. What that city councilor wants is the ability to either tell the citizen, hey, it's on the website right here, let me send you a link, or I've got it right here on my iPad. Hey, you know what? That project actually starts next May and it's going to go for 9 months, so we're excited to get that one done for you. It's right on schedule where we had it programmed the whole time.
On a fundamental level, yes, project controls saves clients money. But at Garver, we're not limiting ourselves to just that. We're constantly adding experts to our team and allowing ourselves to evolve in ways that will help us find new ways and develop new capabilities so that we can better benefit our clients and our clients' projects.
I've been doing program management for a long time, and in the early days, project controls really wasn't a big part of it. But as we evolved through time, we saw how the project controls became more and more important in order to track things and be able to report on things. We kind of approach it from a different attitude, and it makes a huge difference. I have gone into many clients' offices and shown them what we're doing, and I've had things like, wow, that's what I've always wanted. That's exactly it. And so we're really proud, and that's why we're wanting to get this information out there, is because we've got a product that really brings value to our clients, and we're really proud of it and want people to know about it.
The long and short of it is, working with Garver's project controls teams will have a noticeable impact on the way you manage projects and your bottom line, and everyone involved will wonder why you ever did it any other way.